1 year. Well, a little more than 1 year. And 15,000 miles with this beast. 1 year with a Procharger. Since that Procharger about a year ago, we've added water methanol, torque converter, gone through about 3 sets of injectors trying to find the right ones. Thanks to FIC and Rains Precision Motorsports for finally setting up with some good injectors there. Done little mods like the strut bar, some headlight mods. But 1 year, is it worth it? So many things have transpired over the last year with this car. People say that I drive a ticking time bomb with a Procharger on a stock bottom end 5.7 liter Hemi. I run about 600 all-wheel drive horsepower in this car. 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. Keep in mind I am up here at 6,000 plus feet of elevation. Quarter mile in 12.4 seconds.
Goodbye! 3.9 seconds, 0 to 60, that's my best! Yeah, car! Woo!
Chasing 11s here. Tracing 11.99 second quarter mile here in a couple of months when the air DA gets a little bit better. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Absolutely in a heartbeat, I would do this again. Why did I go boosted instead of staying naturally aspirated? Well, with the altitude, naturally aspirated engines lose a lot more power with the altitude. The Procharger offsets some of the altitude and helps get a little bit more power. Sure, we've had problems along the way. Some check engine lights, some issues with cold starts, issues with warm starts, but all of them are minor. This car has held up so well. And the things that I've been able to accomplish with this car have been unbelievable. Year with this car, looking for many years to come. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. Check out some of the videos that I've had uploaded over the last year and a half regarding this car. You can follow the transformation of this Charger RT all-wheel drive all the way up to its current state today. Those of you that are subscribed, I ask that you click that notification button, stay up to date to the mods to come on this car. But nobody ever really makes a long-term video on these cars with like a Procharger. Everyone makes like a video of the car after it's done, and nobody does any follow-up on the car and whether or not the engine is able to maintain this. But like I said in the beginning, a little over a year, 15,000 miles, running 7.5 pounds of boost, stock bottom end, 5.7 Hemi, 600 all-wheel drive horsepower on my race tune. On my stock everyday tune with 91 octane pump fuel or pump gas, I'm probably 530, 540 all-wheel drive horsepower. This is my daily driver. Definitely not easy on this engine. Thank you, Rains Precision Motorsports, for building such an awesome car. Thank you, FTI Torque Converters, for an amazing 3600 stall torque converter. Thank you, FIC, for finally getting some injectors that are working right for this car that made the tuning for Glen Rains a lot easier. Thank you, Procharger, for making a sweet product. Thank you, all my friends, Bruce, for the headlights. Thank you, subscribers, for the strut brace, front and rear. Thank you, John Cahill, for the wheels and tires, and then for the help installing the power stock rotors and pads all the way around. Everyone, thank you for subscribing. I wouldn't have the ability to modify the car like I have without your guys' subscriptions, without your views, and thank you to YouTube for writing me a check for doing what I love, modifying cars. Thanks guys. Like, subscribe, click that notification button, and we'll see you guys in future videos. Take care. Be safe out there.